Hello.
Hello, I'm fine. Thanks for asking.
Okay. Okay. Introduce yourself.
Yes, I am Sonali Shinde
Mm-hmm.
from Pune.
Mm.
I completed my graduation in Pandharpur
Mm-hmm.
and also completed D.Ed.
Mm.
I was working as a teacher in school for 1 year
Okay. Okay.
and I take also home tuitions. And now I'm practicing English with my friends.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I have introduced myself. My name is Meena. I am from Pune. Yeah. Currently, I live in Chakan. Yeah. And I have done my graduation in D.Ed. And I have take these classes at home. Yeah. And I have started my I have start this I have learned this language because I am Marathi medium background. Yeah, my study is a Marathi medium background, and I'm married and I have two kids. Yeah, and I have learning this language is most of purpose in my life. I have learned my children and I have improved myself and I work my communication skill. Yeah, and
Yeah.
recently 1 year ago, one year ago I started my journey. Yeah, and I have using this CV application, Josh Skill application. Yeah, and I will talk to the co-learners. Yeah, and 1 year ago I could not able to speak one sentence, but I will little bit I speak, and I have learned this grammar and I have learned this vocabulary. Okay, and okay, I'm asking for your question. When did you start your journey?
I started my journey before 2-3 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
I I want to my child speak English
Mm-hmm.
fluency,
Mm-hmm.
and she also like my daughter is 7 years old, and she also watch English cartoons
Okay.
and speak. She speaks a little bit English,
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
and I also like to speak English.
Okay.
So I started to speak with her since before 2 years ago.
Okay. And you are um, you are you are 10th standard. You were 10th standard, 9th standard. You have learned this. You were learn this grammar. Yeah.
Yes, that time the grammar was a little bit grammar.
Yeah. You are learning. Yeah.
Not in deep. Yeah, yeah, and not in deeply. And the sentence was that time also limited.
Mm-hmm. Limited.
We
And
can't, yeah, we can't use that English in our day-to-day life.
mm-hmm.
In that time, paragraph questions, compositions, letter writings. That time we couldn't speak daily sentences. Nowadays there are very in media uh, facilities for us to learn English language.
Okay. Okay.
So we can now speak. We can improve in our English language in day to day life.
Okay, and you are using this Josh Skill application. You are using this CV application. You are use this Chat GPT.
No, I don't use any app for learning. I only listen some cartoon channel, and I speak with my daughter and with my friends. Only that practice I can do now.
Okay, and you are joining this any classes? You are joining this any spoken classes?
No, no, I don't have any classes.
Okay, and how to feel? You will talk in English and how do you feel? You're motivate, yeah. Sometime you're motivate, sometime you're demotivate.
No, when we speak English, when we speak any new language, we try to understand that lots of listening practice that's needed so much. It's so important to listening.
Okay.
So when we listen so much, we can learn speak how to speak.
Okay, and okay. Your opinion, your grammar, you're speaking. You can speak. Grammar is the most important.
Yeah, grammar is important also. If there is an area or the our surrounding is English, that language which we want to learn, then it's not need to learn grammar.
Okay.
It's our mother tongue. There are spoken everywhere. So that time we need not grammar. But when we learn other languages, that time we learn grammar or listen that language.
Okay. Okay.
Listening that languages videos or some other novels, materials, etc. I think so.
Now you are read this English book. You know. Now you are read this English books.
No, means I only now read study material which I teach my daughter her English books or study subject EVS English like that. Only that I can now read.
Read these books. Okay. Okay. Your help your speaking
Study
practice.
book.
Yeah. Yeah.
Study book.
Yeah. We are the learning this language. You are small childrens. You are read these books. Yeah. Because your help your speaking, your whole this your speaking practice and your reading practice. Yeah. This is most of important because simple English is a your understanding. You are easily learn for you. Okay. You are easily learn. Your childrens read these books.
Yeah.
And your help for your speaking
Okay.
practice. Yeah. And you
Yes.
feel not you feel not bad thinking. You feel not nervousness. Yeah, because you are high level your you learn this high level vocabulary. Your mind is disturbed. You are not understanding. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. You are asking for questions. Any?
Yeah, you said before some time that 1 year ago you can't speak no, any word a little bit or English, and now you can speak lot of practice.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's nice thing.
Because my.
And what is the
Mhm.
and now I want to ask what is the message from you to new beginners
Okay. You everybody.
which they face any problem.
Everybody you learn this language. You will try. You will speak every day. Don't skip this one day, but every day you are speak, because speaking is the most important. Yeah. And you are not open your mouth, you will not speaking to English. Yeah. And only you are reading these books, you are learn this vocabulary, you are learn this grammar. It is not too much, but you will daily try to speak. You are improve yourself little bit. You have improve yourself and you are boost your confidence. Yeah. Okay, thank you. This is end of this sessions. Okay, and nice talk to you. Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye.